Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of you. We are pleased to present Spedis, the Smart Player Performance Evaluation and Digital Identity System, a QR-based decision support platform for youth football development. This project was developed by Muhammad Haikal Muhammad Zaini, Ahmad Asri bin Abdul Samad, Tun Nuraihan binti Abdul Qadir, Adi Izhar Cik Ani, and Siti Juliana Abu Bakar. The project represents University Teknologi Mara, Cawangan Pulau Pinang, University Malaysia Perlis, and Segi College Penang. Youth football development depends on sustained monitoring of technical ability, tactical understanding, physical readiness, psychological attributes, and participation. In grassroots setting, paper records and disconnected tools produce duplicate work and inconsistent assessments. Spedis integrates registration, attendance, identity, evaluation, and reporting into one platform that gives coaches consistent, evidence-based tools instead of memory and scattered notes. A QR-linked digital player ID ties attendance, records, and evaluation history to one profile, replacing scattered paper and spreadsheets. A 5-domain assessment engine, technical, tactical, physical, psychological, and 6 game moments, replaces subjective, inconsistent scoring. Automatic score calculation then generates evidence-based recommendations with secure report access for parents. Spedis connects the 4 groups most involved in a player's development. Coaches get structured, evidence-based evaluation data instead of relying on memory. Administrators get centralized records and reporting. Players get a digital identity that tracks their own progress, and parents get secure, standardized access to development reports. Existing football information systems centralize club data but stop at administration. Spedis goes further, establishing a full player development workflow, digital identity, structured 5-domain evaluation, automated retain, further review or release recommendation, and one integrated platform. Grassroots clubs still run on paper records and disconnected tools, producing duplicate work and inconsistent assessments. Inconsistent evaluation and poor parent communication limit development tracking and selection decision. The need one integrated low-cost system that standardizes evaluation, automates recommendation, and centralizes identity, attendance, analytics, and reporting. Spedis combines identity, attendance, evaluation, and reporting into one specialized platform for player development, turning raw training data into evidence-based coaching decisions automatically without manual tallying. Spedis was built using agile methodology, requirement identification, interface design, module development, integration, functional testing, and continuous improvement. Data flows through a clear pipeline: player registration, QR attendance, the evaluation engine, report generation, and the parents portal with role-based access at every stage. Player registration, QR attendance, and record updates were demonstrated on the live system with coach evaluations feeding directly into the scoring engine. Domain scores aggregate automatically into an overall player score, and the system outputs retain, further review, or release based on evidence, not guesswork. For coaches, evidence-based decisions replace memory and subjective judgment. For clubs, less duplicate admin work and structured, searchable records. For parents, standardized, transparent access to real progress. And for the sector, affordable digital transformation aligned with SDG 4, 9, and 16. Spedis is built to scale beyond a single academy, targeting grassroots football academies, community clubs, school teams and youth programs. Malaysian sport industry grew 7.8% to reach RM 24.1 billion, underlining the room to grow. Ahead, a dedicated mobile apps for coaches and parents, multilingual support, and expanded analytics alongside validation across multiple academies and adaptation for other youth sports. Spedis replaces fragmented paper records with one evidence-based platform for player development. Spedis was evaluated by 25 verified users representing administrators, coaches, and parents. It achieved an overall score of 4.64 out of 5, with all 200 ratings at either 4 or 5. 92% intend to continue using the platform. Information clarified score 4.8, while ease of use score 4.76. These findings support retaining Spedis and expanding the pilot while recognizing that the current evidence is limited to one grassroots club. We gratefully acknowledge University Technology Mara Cawangan Pulau Pinang for the platform, faculty, and financial support, our sole project developer and system tester, and the Hawk Elite Football Club for trusting the system with real infrastructure. Thank you for your time. For questions, reach us at ahmadasri79@uitm.edu.my. Scan the QR code on screen to try the Spedis demo or visit thehawkpenang.com to see the full deploy system.